Anthropic just released Claude Code remote control, which means you can now run Claude Code from your phone. But most business owners have no idea how powerful this is. And so in this video, I'm going to be walking you through what the future of business is really in this AI era that we're entering into, why it's all happening now, and walking you through how I've been running Claude Code from my phone and running what I call an AI operating system for my business over the past 3 weeks before this even came out. And you'll get to see just how powerful this stuff is and how I'm running 4 companies with over 60 staff, all from my phone. And I'll give you a few demos of just how that's working. And to prove my point and show that this stuff is here already if you choose to use it, I'm going to be queuing up 3 real business tasks on my phone that we'll be checking in on at the end of the video. The first is a full marketing audit and data report across all of my businesses. The second is going to be a lead magnet deliberately made for this video for you guys to be able to claim a special goodie that I'm going to give you at the end. And I'll also be telling it to dig into a specific type of meeting for one of my businesses, analyzing all of the calls we've had over the past month to give me a summary of all the progress that's been made. So if you give me a second right now, I'll just get these queued up. Okay, so all that's queued up. We're going to be checking in on that at the end of the video, including the free goodie I'm going to be giving away, which is basically my entire plug and play Telegram system to be able to create your own AI operating system, which plugs your business into your phone, just like we have with Claude Code remote control, but in a much more powerful way. And this is exactly how I've been running my business from my phone, or at least when I choose to, having the ability to fully run my business from my phone when I'm out. But first off, let's get clear on what this Claude Code remote control thing is. If you guys are maybe new to the space and you don't understand what the Claude Code kind of AGI revolution that is happening right now, we have this incredible tool called Claude Code, which is like a general purpose AI agent. The code part of it kind of scares business owners away quite often, but you don't actually need to be technical to know how to use it if you have the right setup methods. But what it's allowing business owners like myself to do is to build an AI operating system, or AIOS as I call it, that wraps around your business model in layers until you have this AI layer around your business, which can be interacted with through your phone or through your laptop, and it allows you to automate task after task after task in your business and build it into an AI operating system that literally runs your business for you if you build it right. And what this Claude Code remote control thing is basically the same thing I've got on my Telegram here and have been able to do for the past few weeks, but it's bringing it to the masses. And that's really an important thing to understand, is that this stuff is about to go mainstream. It's going to take a long time for other business owners to catch up. The new era of business is here, and it comes in the form of Claude Code. But what most people are going to miss about this is that having a Claude Code remote control where you can sort of scan a QR code and resume a session of Claude Code when you're out and about on your mobile is that a remote is useless without a TV to point it at. You need to build your AI operating system, or build the thing that you're controlling, in order to actually get any value out of being able to have it on your phone. That's what most business owners are missing. And in this video, I want to walk you through kind of what an AI operating system is, why you need to be building one right now as a business owner in order to prepare for the AI business future that we're heading into very, very rapidly at the moment. So the first thing you need to understand with an AI operating system is that it is a layer, a wrapper around your business model. So it's not a business model in itself. You have your business owner, which is the value creation mechanism, your clients, your products, your services, the ways that you generate leads and deliver your services to create some sort of value that people want to pay for. So there's always a business model in the middle, and then wrapped around it is this AI layer around your business. There's a key principle in the AIOS methodology that is layers, not leaps. And that's that you need to build up your AI operating system in layers. It starts off quite basic. The first step I put the founders through who are in my program and are building this alongside me is to start with a context OS, which is getting the business to be aware of who you are, what your business is, what services you offer, what your values as a company are, who your team is, what are their roles, just core context, which means when you're chatting to your AIOS or doing any work in it, or even building automations that's going to do things automatically for you, it knows who you are, what your business is, everything it needs to know to be fully contextualized. And that is really the base layer of building one of these systems. The next layer on top of that is what I call a data OS, and that is getting real-time data fed in from your various 6 or 7 different data sources. I had marketing sheets on Google Sheets, I had P&L sheets, I had YouTube Analytics, I had Bitly, I had Google Analytics, I had Calendly, I had all these data sources, but I just have to go all over the place to get a read on things. The second step for your AIOS is pulling all of those into a single database that's stored on your machine that your AI operating system is able to access. It's able to store that data in there regularly, and then essentially that acts as another layer of context on top of what you've already given it. And now not only knows what your business is, what you do, what your current strategies are, it knows where you are in relation to those from hard data collected across all of your sources. And so that's another massive leap in the right direction for building a system like this, is the data on top of the context. Other layers that I recommend business set up after that are things like what I call Intel OS, which is pulling in all of your, say, Fireflies or Fathom or whatever meeting note taker you use across the company, getting that to be pulled in every day so that it can be stored in a database for you to easily be able to query and ask questions like, hey, what happened in the meeting last week with XYZ? You can chat over that, or you can ask it to pull intelligently that information out of the database, line it up with other data like your P&L or your marketing numbers, and it can suddenly start to act as this ultimate assistant for your business that knows who you are, has access to the right data sources. And as I like to do, after you have all of that built up, I get it to give me a daily brief every morning that analyzes all of the data that came in over the past day throughout the funnel, then analyzes all of the meetings that happened across my business. Sometimes it's up to 70 meetings, analyzes all of that, and then stitches together a daily brief for me that analyzes everything in the business, gives me a short summary of what's going on, things I need to worry about, things that have gone well, and also a SWOT analysis, so strategic, co-founder or business strategist style recommendation or analysis of everything going on in the business head to toe. And because it knows all that base context and your data and all the stuff that's happening in the meetings, it actually can intelligently see the full picture and give me meaningful advice and insights as a founder. And so there's a ton more of specific modules or plug and play modules as they call them that you can build on top of that. But I think you get the point of where this is going. Once you have that solid base of context and data and knowing what's going on in the organization and the right data in the right places, you have this incredibly powerful assistant. And that now with something like Claude Remote Control or using the Telegram system that I'm going to be giving away to you guys as a freebie with this video, you seriously have the most insanely powerful AI business assistant that is there to do tasks for you, to look up data, to create reports, to build out landing pages like I'm literally doing right now. And this Claude Code Remote Control stuff is really like just the start of things going into the mainstream and making this more accessible to people. So I wanted to make this video and say this stuff is cool, that's coming out. I think it's going to help a lot more people get into this, but at the end of the day, having it on your phone is useless unless you've built up the system to connect it to that's actually going to be able to meaningfully do things for you when you're on the go and be able to act as that AI operating system for your business. And now I guess what you've been waiting for is a check-in on those 3 tasks that we did at the start of the video and how my Telegram-based assistant has connected to my AI OS and being able to go through and fully contextually understand what's going on in my business and be able to do these tasks and create these deliverables for me. So if we look here, I can get the marketing report up for you. Obviously, I'm going to have to blur some of the numbers on this, but a nice report like this that can be generated as a PDF. I could generate it as slides. I could generate it as whatever I want, and I could get these set up on a daily thing so it can come to me daily or weekly or whatever kind of schedule you want it to be in. I also asked it to do a deep dive on all of the calls we've had over the past month for my SaaS called Audit Flow, which is in beta right now. I wanted to know how we're tracking, what things have changed and what big decisions to be made. So this is what that report looked like for that. And then finally, the lead magnet that I wanted to create for this, which is going to give away my exact Telegram system. So if you guys are getting into running an AI operating system and you want to build your own Telegram system for it, I'm going to be giving away the entire plug and play module that's really exclusive to my accelerator members, but I'll be giving away to you guys as a little freebie with this video to hopefully get you guys started on moving towards this, because it seriously is the future of business. And if I can help more of you get into it and see the light and benefit from this before the rest of them do, then that's a big win for me. So that's what the lead magnet page looks like. I was able to one-shot that, literally just tell it, hey, look at the other landing pages that I've made for this kind of marketing rollout and create a new one for this purpose. So guys, that'll be in the description below. And if you guys are business owners wanting to learn this full stack about AI operating systems, how I'm building mine, the exact modules and systems that I've set up within mine, and how you can build one for yourself as a completely non-technical founder, I have a full webinar that's going to be 2 hours long for you guys in the description, and that covers everything you need to know so that you can get started on your own journey, because there's a lot to cover on this, to be honest, and that's been the best format I've found to get the information out there. So guys, this is the best time ever to be a founder and an entrepreneur. Please lean into this stuff, give it a chance, be a little bit more open-minded, and I promise you it'll be worth the time and effort. So if you want to see a video of me breaking down my plan to automate 60 to 70% of all of my current tasks using this Claude Code AI operating system, you can check that out up here. But that is all for the video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.